Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Mulan from Disney's new live-action movie. I'm a huge Disney fan and I'm super excited to watch the movie. I find something so magical about seeing my favorite Disney movies come to life. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper or any other medium of your choice. Let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of Mulan's face. Draw a line down here for the side of her face. Curve it slightly outwards for the cheek and continue it to the left for the bottom of the face. Draw the ear with a C shape here on the left side. Now let's draw her hairline. Starting from this point above her face, draw a wavy shape connecting it to the face line and extending down. Now do the same on the left side. Draw a small V shape next to the ear. Let's continue drawing her hair. Draw another slightly wavy line down like this for the outline of the hair. Curve it inwards at the end. Do the same for the other side. Stop about here around the ear. Draw two curved lines here to show her hair part. Next, draw some curved lines here at her hairline. Now let's move on to the face. Draw an almond-shaped eye here on the right. Draw a circle inside attached to the left side of the eye. Now draw a smaller circle inside and color the eye black. Do the same for the other eye, but this eye should be slightly more elongated. Now let's draw the eyebrows with thin triangular shapes. They should angle slightly downwards toward the center of the face. Next, draw the nose. Now we'll draw the mouth with a line that curves slightly up to the left. That's it for the face. Let's move on to the body. So I'm going to start off by drawing the sword so we can get the position right. Draw a thin diagonal shaped rectangle here, angled downwards towards where her chest would be. Finish off the tip of the sword with a V shape. At the top, draw a circle around the blade. On top of the circle, draw two oval shapes for her fingers. Draw a third oval in the other direction for the thumb. Now let's draw the handle of the sword with a rectangle with some lines inside. Okay, let's leave that for now and finish off the hair. Finish off the hair on the left side with wavy lines downwards behind the sword. For the right, add a curved line here. Now we can continue on with the arm. Draw a line angled upwards around the same height as the ear. Draw another similar line, but at the same height as the tip of the sword, and make this one longer. Connect the two lines with the curved line. Draw two small lines here for the wrist/arm. Draw a curved line here to close off the sleeve. Now let's draw the other arm. This arm will be angled downwards toward the right. Draw two lines here. Draw the opening of the sleeve by adding an oval shape, but keep the top open. Draw a U shape to close it off. Now draw a curved shape inside here. Next, let's draw the hand. Draw the thumb here like this. Then draw 2 fingers pointing upwards. Draw 2 small ovals for the ring and pinky fingers. Draw a curved line toward the body to finish off the hand, and draw a straight line down for the wrist. Finish off this arm by connecting the top line up to her face for the shoulder. Now we can move on to the body. Draw a V shape under her face, but extend the right line downwards. Draw parallel lines to these here. Next, draw another parallel line on the left for the side of her body. Draw a line on the right for her right side. Draw 2 diagonal lines underneath her neck here for her shirt. Now let's draw the waistband by drawing 2 horizontal curved lines here. Mulan is wearing armor hanging from both hips, so I'm going to draw that next. Draw small curved rectangles in 4 rows, like this. When you get to the bottom row, don't draw the small rectangles, but keep the center clear. Do the same thing on the other side. Under the armor, draw a curved triangle on either side for the bottom of her shirt. Now let's draw the legs. Draw a curved line down and to the right. Draw another line to the left of this. Finish off the pants like so. Now connect the bottom of her shirt with lines going behind the legs. Next, we'll draw her boots. For the boot on the right, draw 2 lines down following the line of the leg. Curve it out at the bottom and into a rounded rectangle. For the other foot, draw a line angled inwards and then a straight line down. Draw a shorter angled line here. Finish off with a rectangular boot shape. Lastly, I'm going to finish off a sword detail I forgot to draw earlier. At the base of the sword, draw a circle with a smaller circle inside. On the bottom left, draw 2 lines here. Draw a tassel shape hanging downwards like this. And that's it for Mulan in her fighting stance. Now let's color her in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. Comment below if you have any other ideas of who or what I should draw next. And if you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.